Hang on to your pants, guys. Time to talk about Thanksgiving. Let's get to it. So as you can tell, I'm definitely not in the kitchen today. I am in the upstairs loft where my desk is, the whole editing setup. Super fancy, not really. I just wanted to take a step back and try to not blind myself or wow, this ring light thing. It's not working with my glasses. It's okay. I'm not editing right now. I don't really need them. So, just wanted to sit down, talk with you guys about what's happening this month. I'm a little behind. If some of you, the couple that actually watch, I'm a little behind on everything. Didn't get to my last video in Halloween. I'm looking like that way. I'm looking at like the corner of my camera. I don't even know why. I'm supposed to look right here, right? Look actually at the camera and look at you guys. Is this creepy? Does this weird you out? I'm tired. I'm trying to get my caffeine intake in. It's not working very well. Like I was saying, I just want to talk to you as I'm editing these videos. Just working on a new series that I have coming out. I'm going to be filming all week, hopefully to get everything kind of on camera, edit it, get everything situated, and get those videos out on time so that we're not playing this game to where I get behind again, because you all know me. So the Thanksgiving series that I really wanted to do was kind of a vintage, retro Thanksgiving, if you will. I have a lot of cookbooks, not like I could fill a library with them, but I have quite a few. And a couple of them, I actually, when I was in culinary school, I kind of accumulated them from classes and things. And a couple really big ones that I found, that I acquired. One was from 1960, is literally copyrighted 1960. A Betty Crocker holiday book. Kind of tells you how to set up your house for certain holidays. And there's probably like 20 or 25 holidays. Literally, like it tells you how you can set up for 4th of July. It even shows you how to set up for like bridal showers and things. Like, it's insane. Definitely very 60s vibe, because it was from the 60s. And then there is another recipe book that I accumulated, and that's actually where a lot of my recipes for this Thanksgiving, for the Thanksgiving videos are coming from. It's trademarked 1999, but you know that most of these recipes were like family passed down, or the person who submitted the recipe literally had used that recipe for stuff in like the 60s and 70s. I mean, like Jello molds and all sorts of scary things were happening in these people's lives. It's one of those like community cookbooks. It's from Arizona. It is Sun City, Arizona, and they were celebrating their history. 40 years, 1960 to 2000. So a lot of these are like really old recipes. And that's why I kind of got inspired a little bit to do a retro vibe, a vintage vibe. Now, with COVID, with everybody still having to keep indoors, keep away, social distancing from everybody, I know that we're kind of in a second really not a second wave. We've had a few waves. We're coming into another really bad wave of cases. Most of my family is in the medical field, or a good chunk of my family is in the medical field, and they've been keeping me updated what's going on. I do live in Michigan, so most of our rules going into establishments, things like that, mask. Have to wear a mask. And guys, it doesn't make any sense to like not wear a mask. It's dumb. I myself was a medic when I lived in Texas before my husband and I moved up, and it was amazing how many people just didn't want to. It was crazy. Real dumb. But I figure if everybody's going to be staying in, it's not a normal year for everybody. And everybody keeps saying that. It's not a normal year. So I kind of wanted to take us home, see some really crazy recipes from way back in the day, you know, the nuclear family sort of days. Crazy times it was, apparently. So while I'm sitting here editing, I just kind of wanted to let you know that that's what I'm thinking about doing. And I have a video list. I've got recipes already down. I got my shopping list. And I'm ready to go. There's going to be, it's a 4-video series. And I'm literally calling it Thanksgiving 2020 Vintage Recipes. That's what I'm calling it. One of the episodes will be alcohol based. So, my friends, family, people I don't even know, for those of you over the age of 21, we shall be having a beverage or two. And one of them is not even a drink, but it's got alcohol in it. Isn't that great? It's a soup. Alcoholic soup. Figure that one out. So yeah. We're going to be doing an alcohol-based video. Talk about, you know, side dishes from back in the day. Definitely going through dessert, because, come on, Thanksgiving without desserts. Well, what even is that? And the main event. Hint, hint on what I'm naming the video. The main event. I'm actually going to be cooking a turkey. Now, our family does every other year for big holidays. Not every other year. Every other holiday is our big family holiday. So this year, my husband and I are actually flying down to Texas and be celebrating Christmas. So for Thanksgiving, we are stuck up here in Oscoda, and we're going to be enjoying this lovely weather. And I'm going to be making a turkey because I've never surprisingly made a turkey. I'm always usually in charge of like apple pies, different kind of desserts and things, which is totally cool. I'm totally okay with it. But yeah, this year I'm doing a turkey. Definitely a relatively small turkey because I'm not going to be eating turkey for the next year. I refuse. So, small turkey, just for the two of us. And I may, I'm just looking at my video list here. I may slip in some like pupper recipes. We have 2 dogs. We have Jack and Connie, and I may want to do some treats for them. We'll see. Who knows? I may do something for them. So we'll see. I'm really excited about this series. I've been kind of talking it over with the hubby, and I think he's pretty excited too. So that's pretty much it. Vintage, kind of retro Thanksgiving video series. If that's interesting to you, go ahead and like this video. put in some comments. If you guys have family recipes that you guys would like me to see, or me to even try, I may do another video if I get any comments or anything, of viewer suggestions. So a whole video on y'all's family Thanksgiving recipes. So again, if you like the idea, if you want to see this series come to fruition, go ahead and hit the like button. Definitely subscribe in order for you to see those videos. Hit the little notification bell in the corner next to the subscribe button. Hit all videos so that you don't miss a single great vintage recipe. And me floundering everywhere in my kitchen, because that's what I normally do. So yeah, that's it for me today. Signing off from the editing room, the magical upstairs living room in my house. So thanks, guys. We'll see you next video. Bye.